Ladies and gentlemen, J-Mac Outdoors right there. And you want to make a run to Stowaway and fish in the back of it where it's dirty, maybe the water temperature is warmer. We're almost there, and it's like 41 degrees. I don't know why I'm standing up right now, but I am. I just like standing up. But it'd be much better to be tucked in behind this windshield. All right, so the first 15 minutes has passed, and I had one follower on the second cast, and neither James or myself have got a bite or really seen anything. Water temperature starting to warm up a little bit as we make our way back toward Lake Paula, but it's 50 degrees. It's still not warm, and I'm not even really seeing anything on the screen yet. So I'm gonna go work some docks as I make my way toward the back and fish for another 15 minutes and let James get back in front. So far, pretty slow. Just got my first bite of the day on a drop shot, changed to a black and blue worm. I don't think it was a big fish, but it was a bite nonetheless. Okay. I just lost my weight, my hook, my lure, everything. Maybe I'm fishing for gar and don't know it. I broke off that one time and I've had 2 bites. One took my worm. Just got another bite. I don't know if it's bass. I don't know what if it's brim maybe. I don't know. Oh, it's a little one. It's a fish. We got a fish. It's not a measurable fish, so it don't count, but I don't care. Oh, that felt good, finally. Something. I got one. Oh my goodness. Is this recording? Guys, we have not caught anything today. We stopped at McDonald's and ate, came right over here to the bridge, and just caught a little fatty. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Huh? That fish is like identical to the other one. It's a full moon, y'all. Can y'all see that full moon right there? There? Yeah, you can see it. All right, then. Got him. With no headlamp, that's hard to do. Yeah, about a 3.5 pounder. Just hooked myself. Time to get serious. Start recording. Start recording. Oh, it is recording. Got it. Hey, get out of here. That one ain't a keeper. I don't think. About a 15-incher. I didn't know this light was on. I just saw it and cut over here. Little 15-incher, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Were you filming when we were coming around the point, pointing straight at the moon? What's wrong with you? Dude, I came up to this light, and one of those herons was sitting on the dock. Oh, there he is right there. As soon as I came up, he literally flies off and jumps right in the middle of the light. Like, screw you, you ain't fishing this light. Oh, fatty, but he ain't gonna keep. Little guy. Thick, but like 14 inches. There we go. You got a catfish or a bass? Oh. Healthy fish. It's probably 16 inches, but too close to call without measuring. I think he would go 16. We're gonna throw him back. Oh yeah, that feels better. Maybe not. Down his throat. Thick 15-incher. Healthy fish. Oops. I think that's the smallest of the night right there. Huh? That's a fish jumping around in the live well. I ain't got bit not once in any of them. Yeah, I'm gonna hit this one and call it a night, I think.
There you go. Like that.
Pretty good.
Crisscross to make you wanna jump. Oh no.
Minus 500 subscribers.
Beer foul. That's right, dude. Nice night. That's just a few of the keepers caught.
That's a few.
What do you think you caught total?
Like numbers?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. I don't know, not that many. Maybe 12?
Yeah.
13?
That's the number I was gonna say. I was hoping you'd say 15 or 20.
Yeah, 15 or 20.
Yeah, I caught 12 or 13.
Yeah, we caught them good.